Nestled in the heart of Southeast Asia, Laos is a land of breathtaking natural beauty, rich cultural heritage, and abundant natural resources. Among its many treasures, Laos is renowned for its exquisite gemstones and diverse wildlife, both of which contribute to the country's unique charm and ecological significance. Laos is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts and conservationists alike. Its dense forests, winding rivers, and mountainous terrain provide habitats for an incredible array of species, many of which are rare or endangered. The country's commitment to preserving its natural heritage is evident in its numerous protected areas and national parks. Laos, often referred to as the land of 1,000,000 elephants, lives up to its nickname with its deep cultural and historical connection to the Asian elephant, Elephas maximus. These majestic creatures have played a central role in Laotian society for centuries, symbolizing strength, wisdom, and spirituality. Today, Laos remains one of the few countries in the world with a significant population of wild and domesticated Asian elephants, though their survival faces numerous challenges. The Asian elephant has long been a symbol of Laos, dating back to the ancient Lan Xang Kingdom, 1354 to 1707, which translates to the Kingdom of 1,000,000 Elephants. Elephants were revered as royal animals, used in ceremonies, warfare, and as a symbol of power and prosperity. They were also integral to daily life, assisting in logging, transportation, and agriculture. In Laotian culture, elephants are seen as sacred beings, often associated with Buddhist traditions and folklore. They are believed to bring good fortune and are celebrated in festivals, art, and literature. The bond between the Laotian people and elephants is a testament to the deep respect and admiration for these gentle giants. While Laos was once home to vast herds of wild elephants, their numbers have declined significantly due to habitat loss, poaching, and human-elephant conflict. Today, it is estimated that fewer than 1,000 wild Asian elephants remain in Laos, with an additional 400 to 500 elephants in captivity, primarily used in the logging and tourism industries. Wild elephants in Laos are found in the country's remaining forests, particularly in protected areas like the Nam Et-Phou Louey National Protected Area and the Zepian National Protected Area. These elephants play a crucial role in maintaining the health of their ecosystems by dispersing seeds and creating clearings that promote biodiversity. Domesticated elephants have traditionally been used in logging, but as the industry has declined, many elephants have transitioned to tourism. While this provides a source of income for their mahouts caretakers, concerns about the welfare of these elephants have led to calls for more ethical and sustainable practices. Recognizing the importance of preserving its elephant population, Laos has taken steps to protect these iconic animals. Conservation initiatives focus on habitat preservation, anti-poaching efforts, and promoting coexistence between humans and elephants. Organizations like the Elephant Conservation Center in Sayaburi Province are leading the way in elephant rescue, rehabilitation, and education. Establishing and expanding national parks and wildlife sanctuaries to safeguard elephant habitats. Engaging local communities in conservation efforts and providing alternative livelihoods to reduce reliance on logging and poaching. Promoting responsible elephant tourism that prioritizes the well-being of the animals, such as observation-based experiences rather than riding. Conducting studies to better understand elephant behavior, population dynamics, and threats. Despite these efforts, challenges remain. Deforestation, driven by agricultural expansion and infrastructure development, continues to fragment elephant habitats. Human-elephant conflict is also on the rise as elephants venture into farmland in search of food, leading to crop damage and sometimes fatalities on both sides. To secure a future for Laos's elephants, a multifaceted approach is needed. This includes stronger enforcement of wildlife protection laws, increased funding for conservation programs, and greater awareness of the importance of elephants to Laos's cultural and ecological heritage. The tiger, Panthera tigris, a species renowned for its grace and power, occupies a critical niche in the ecosystems of Asia, including the lush rainforests of Laos. These forests, characterized by their dense vegetation and diverse wildlife, serve as a vital habitat for the tiger, which stands as both a symbol of strength and a barometer for ecological health. However, the survival of this magnificent creature is increasingly threatened by a myriad of factors, including habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. Consequently, understanding the significance of the tiger in the Laotian rainforest is paramount for conservation efforts aimed at preserving not only the species itself, but also the intricate ecosystems in which it resides. Laos is endowed with a rich tapestry of biodiversity, of which the tiger is an essential component. As an apex predator, the tiger plays a critical role in maintaining the balance of its ecosystem. By controlling prey populations, such as deer and wild boar, the tiger helps to ensure the health of forest vegetation, thereby fostering a diverse range of flora and fauna. The presence of tigers in the rainforest signifies a well-functioning ecosystem, as their survival is intricately linked to the abundance of various species that share their habitat. Protecting the tiger thus becomes equivalent to preserving the multifaceted interplay of life that defines the Laotian rainforest. The plight of the tiger in Laos is increasingly precarious. The primary threat to its existence stems from habitat destruction, largely driven by human encroachment and deforestation. As agricultural expansion, illegal logging, and infrastructure development continue to alter the landscape. The tiger's natural habitats are disappearing at an alarming rate. Fragmentation of forest areas not only limits the movement of tigers, but also isolates populations, reducing genetic diversity and increasing vulnerability to extinction. Furthermore, as human populations expand into tiger territories, encounters between humans and tigers are becoming more frequent, often leading to retaliatory killings of these magnificent animals. In addition to habitat loss, poaching remains a significant threat to the tiger population in Laos. Poachers target these majestic animals for their pelts, bones, and other body parts, which are highly valued in illegal wildlife trade and traditional medicine. The demand for tiger products, particularly in neighboring countries, exacerbates the pressure on already dwindling populations. Comprehensive anti-poaching measures and increased law enforcement efforts are imperative to curtail this illegal trade and protect the remaining tiger populations. To address these urgent threats, concerted conservation actions are required. Establishing protected areas within the Laotian rainforest can provide safe havens for tigers and their prey, facilitating ecological restoration and promoting biodiversity. Community engagement is also essential, as local populations can play a pivotal role in conservation efforts. By fostering awareness and promoting sustainable livelihoods that do not compromise tigers' habitats, it is possible to create a symbiotic relationship between human communities and wildlife. The tiger in the Laotian rainforest serves as a potent emblem of ecological balance and biodiversity. As a keystone species, its presence is critical not only for maintaining the health of its habitat, but also for the overall ecological integrity of the region. However, the challenges posed by habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict threaten the survival of this magnificent animal. To ensure the tiger's future in Laos, comprehensive and inclusive conservation strategies must be developed and implemented, emphasizing the vital connection between human well-being and the preservation of the natural world. Only through collective action can we hope to secure a future where the tiger continues to roam the rainforests of Laos, a testament to the rich biodiversity that characterizes this remarkable ecosystem. Hidden in the remote northeast of Laos lies one of Southeast Asia's last great wildernesses, the Nam Et-Phou Louey National Protected Area. Spanning over 4,229 square kilometers, it is the largest national park in Laos and a sanctuary for some of the planet's most endangered species. Nam Et-Phou Louey is a treasure trove of biodiversity. Its vast primary forests remain largely untouched, providing a critical habitat for wildlife. Here, the forest whispers stories of survival, resilience, and the delicate balance of nature. This protected area is home to some of the world's most iconic and endangered species. the elusive tiger, the majestic gaur, the graceful samba deer, and the melodious white-cheeked gibbon. All find refuge here, but their survival is under constant threat from poaching, habitat loss, and human encroachment. Conservation efforts in Et-Phou Louey are driven by a unique partnership between the Lao government, local communities, and international organizations. Together, they work tirelessly to protect this fragile ecosystem. Local villagers play a crucial role as forest guardians, using traditional knowledge and modern technology to monitor wildlife and combat illegal activities. Ecotourism is another key pillar of conservation here. Visitors from around the world come to experience the park's breathtaking beauty and witness its rare wildlife. Guided night safaris along the Nam Nern River offer a chance to spot nocturnal creatures, while trekking adventures reveal the park's hidden wonders. Nam Et-Phou Louey is more than just a protected area. It is a symbol of hope. A reminder that even in the face of immense challenges, nature can thrive when given a chance. Join us in celebrating and protecting this incredible wilderness. Because in saving Nam Et-Phou Louey, we're not just saving a forest, we're saving a legacy for generations to come. This documentary-style content highlights the beauty, biodiversity, and conservation efforts of Nam Et-Phou Louey, while inspiring viewers to take action and appreciate the importance of protecting such vital ecosystems.
Under the golden sun, where the Mekong flows, land of 1,000 smiles, where the spirit grows. Mountains kiss the sky in a timeless embrace. Laos, your beauty shines, a serene, sacred place. From Luang Prabang's charm to Vientiane's grace, every corner whispers stories, every heart finds its space. Love Laos, where the rivers sing, land of legends, where dreams take wing. Welcome to Laos, come feel the glow. In this paradise, let your heart overflow. Rise in silence with history untold. Golden Buddha shimmer in the stories of old. Rice fields paint the earth in a vibrant green, a land of peace and wonder where the soul feels seen. From the waterfalls dance to the night markets cheer, every moment Here is magic, every step feels near. Love Laos, where the rivers sing. Land of legends, where dreams take wing. Welcome to Laos, come feel the glow. In this paradise, let your heart overflow. Laos, where the rivers sing. Land of legends, where dreams take wing. Welcome to Laos, come feel the glow. In this paradise, let your heart overflow. So here's to Laos, a treasure so true. A land of love and wonder waiting for you. Love Laos, welcome to Laos. Forever in our hearts, your beauty will stay. Laos, Laos, forever we'll say. Love Laos, welcome to Laos.
High in the rainforests of Laos, where the air is thick with the scent of damp earth and the symphony of nature, lives one of the most enchanting creatures of the canopy, the dusky leaf monkey. With their sleek, dark fur and distinctive white eye rings, dusky leaf monkeys are a sight to behold. These gentle primates are perfectly adapted to life in the treetops, where they spend their days foraging for leaves, fruits, and flowers. Social and highly intelligent dusky leaf monkeys live in close-knit family groups. Their bonds are strong, and they communicate through a series of soft calls and gestures. The birth of a bright orange infant brings joy to the group, a stark contrast to the adult's dark fur, a natural camouflage that keeps them hidden from predators. The rainforests of Laos are a vital stronghold for these monkeys. But like many species, dusky leaf monkeys face growing threats. Deforestation, habitat fragmentation, and hunting are pushing them toward the brink of extinction. Thankfully, conservation efforts are underway to protect these remarkable primates. Researchers are studying their behavior and ecology, while local communities are being empowered to safeguard their forest home. Ecotourism initiatives are also raising awareness and providing sustainable livelihoods. The dusky leaf monkey is more than just a symbol of Laos's rich biodiversity. It is a reminder of the delicate balance that sustains life in the rainforest. Their survival is intertwined with the health of the forest, and by protecting them, we protect an entire ecosystem. In the heart of Laos's protected rainforests, where the air is alive with the whispers of nature, a small and elusive bird goes about its daily quest for survival. The bar-backed partridge. With its striking barred feathers, the bar-backed partridge is a master of disguise. This ground-dwelling bird is perfectly adapted to life in the undergrowth, where it forages for seeds, insects, and fallen fruits, hidden among the leaves and soil. Life on the forest floor is a delicate balance of opportunity and danger. Predators lurk in the shadows, and every sound could signal a threat. But the bar-backed partridge is vigilant, relying on its sharp senses and cryptic coloring to stay one step ahead. These birds are often seen in pairs or small groups, moving quietly through the forest. Their social bonds are strong, and they communicate through soft calls and subtle gestures, ensuring they stay connected in the dense undergrowth. The rainforest is a treasure trove of life, and the bar-backed partridge plays a vital role in this ecosystem. By foraging on the forest floor, it helps disperse seeds and control insect populations, contributing to the health and balance of the forest. In Laos's protected areas, conservation efforts are underway to safeguard this vital habitat. Rangers and researchers work tirelessly to monitor wildlife, combat poaching, and promote sustainable practices. Local communities are also key partners, their traditional knowledge and commitment helping to protect the forest and its inhabitants. The bar-backed partridge is a symbol of the rainforest's hidden wonders, a reminder that even the smallest creatures play a crucial role in the web of life. Its survival is a testament to the resilience of nature and the importance of preserving these ancient forests. In the heart of the rainforest, where the air is thick with the scent of earth and life, a jewel of the forest emerges, the male-eared pitta. With its dazzling colors and elusive nature, this bird is a symbol of the rainforest's hidden beauty. The male-eared pitta is a masterpiece of nature. Its vibrant colors are not just for show. They help it blend into the dappled light of the forest floor, where it forages for food. But today, survival is its only concern. Life on the forest floor is a constant challenge. The eared pitta must remain alert, as predators could be lurking in the shadows. With each step, it uses its keen senses to locate food, scratching at the soil and turning over leaves with its beak. Insects are a vital part of the eared pitta's diet, providing the energy it needs to thrive in this demanding environment. Its foraging habits also play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the rainforest ecosystem. The rainforest is a treasure trove of life, and the eared pitta is one of its most enchanting inhabitants. But this bird's survival is under threat. Deforestation, habitat loss, and climate change are shrinking its home, pushing it closer to the brink. Thankfully, conservation efforts are underway to protect the eared pitta and its habitat. Researchers are studying its behavior and ecology, while local communities are being empowered to safeguard the forest. Ecotourism initiatives are also raising awareness and providing sustainable livelihoods.